Hola! In this video, we'll use the second derivative test to locate the relative maxima and relative minima for this function. Okay, first, we need to find the stationary points. Okay, we differentiate once, we make it equal to 0, and then we solve for x. Okay, if we differentiate our function once, we'll get minus 4x cubed plus 16x. Okay, we make it equal to 0 and solve for x. To solve for x, we need to factorize. Okay, so we can factorize using common factor. Our common factor is minus 4x, and in the bracket we have x squared minus 4. Okay, we see we can factorize what's inside the bracket further using difference of two squares. So if we do this, we get minus x minus 2 and x plus 2. Okay, so we have three factors. So to solve for x, we bring out each of these three factors, make it equal to 0, and solve for x. When we do this, our first x value, we have x equals 0, then x equals 2, and lastly we have x equals minus 2. Okay, so these are our x values for our stationary points. Okay, next we have to determine which of these will give a minima or a maxima. Okay, so how can we do this? We differentiate twice, okay, and we substitute these x values. Okay, so if we differentiate twice, we get minus 12x squared plus 16. Now let's substitute the x values. First, we substitute minus 2, we get minus 32. Once you get a number less than 0, you know that at that point you have a maxima. Okay, next, we substitute 0, we get 16, which is positive, so the number is greater than 0, so you know this will give us a minimum. Lastly, we substitute 2, okay, we get minus 32, also less than 0, so we have another maximum. We want to give our answer in coordinate form. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to substitute the x values of the stationary points which we have found in step 1 into the original equation. This is our original equation. Okay, so let's do this. So substitute minus 2 into the original equation, we get 0. So we know our maxima is at the point minus 2, 0. Substitute 0, we get minus 16, so our minima is at 0, minus 16. And lastly, substitute 2, we get 0, so our maxima is at 2 and 0. Okay, and we can say that our solution, we have a relative minima at 0, minus 16, and a relative maxima at minus 2, 0, and 2, 0. Thank you.